Good morning, students of class 10. Today we will discuss about geography project. This is the cover page that will uh, paste the page at the top of the cover file. In this way, in this arc, you will write the name of the school, St. Paul's School. Below of that, you write this geography project, tourism. Here you should give dash. Geography project, tourism. These two things you write in capital letters. After that, name, class, section, roll number, and year. For which year you are writing this geography project, that is 2020 to 21. In page number 1, after cover page, in page number 1, you write contents. These are the contents with numbers. Number 1, acknowledgement. Number 2, introduction. Number 3, nature and state of international tourism. Number 4, major policy initiatives taken by Government of India. Number 5, organization involved in tourism. Number 6, growth of tourism in India. Number 7, service provider of tourism industry in India. And number 8, competitiveness of India as an international tourist destination. So after that, from page number 2 you will start writing. Acknowledgement will take one page. As you have written in mathematics the acknowledgement, the same way you will write in geography also. Now I shall explain about introduction. In introduction you write few theories we have. Guest is God. Give focus to this phrase, guest is God. Or another one is the concept of, explain the concept of JL Nehru. Explain the concept of JL Nehru regarding tourism. And you must write economic contribution. Economic contribution by tourism. So these things you write in introduction, and introduction will also take one page. So this was page number 2. This became page number 3. After that we come to nature and state of international tourism, major policies, initiative taken by the Government of India, and all these. So for all you will write the explanation. Suppose we come to here major policies, initiative taken by the government. Major policies and initiatives, at least you write about 7 major policies. And initiatives. Organization, which type of organizations are involved in Indian tourism, you write name, at least 7. Growth of tourism in India, you write the contribution of tourism. Contribution of tourism in GDP. And as it is written growth, you show till 2011. Till the year 2011, you saw this growth. Service provider of tourism industry in India. Which kind of organization are providing service in tourism industry in India? Write those at least 7. This should also be 7. Then competitiveness of India as an international tourist destination. What is the aim of Indian tourism regarding the international tourism? What is the aim? What is the aim of India regarding international tourism? So all these you will focus, all these points you will focus inside the cover file, and you can use any kind of source, that is print media, electronic media, or your internet, any kind of book. You can use the source, any kind of source, to write the explanation of all these points. And after writing this, at the last page, you will write the bibliography. At the last page, you will write about the bibliography. Just I will also give few more focus on these points in the next part of video. After the page of contents, you write acknowledgement in the next page. What to write in acknowledgement? As you have written in a mathematics project, in the same way you write the acknowledgement for geography also. That was page number 1, acknowledgement, page number 2. In page number 3, here I am writing page number 1, page number 2, page number 3. In page number 3, you will write introduction. In introduction, you will show India is rich in cultural heritage. India is rich in cultural heritage and natural beauty. Natural beauty. In introduction, that India is rich in cultural heritage and natural beauty. Then you write about those things. 2 phrases are there that you have to explain. That is Atithi Devo Bhava. Atithi Devo Bhava. If you understand the meaning, that means guest is God. You focus on this phrase. And one more, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That is also one phrase, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That means the world is one family. You focus to this phrase. Then You write about the concept of J.L. Nehru. That J.L. Nehru told, welcome a tourist and send back a friend. Welcome a tourist and send back a friend. In introduction only, you write contribution of tourism in Indian GDP. So all these things should be written in introduction. I hope it will take one page. So this became page number 3. Now in page number 4, after writing introduction, we come to this topic that you will write in page number 4, nature and state of international tourism in India. So few facts I have collected to show you which type of facts you will mention in this topic. The facts, those are related with the tourism of India, and that fact provides a good rank in the world tourism. That fact provides good rank to India in world tourism, such as first fact I wrote, contribution in GDP, that is 6.23%. All these things, okay. Number B, contribution in employment, 8.78%. India's rank among the world's 139 most attractive destination, 68th. Natural resource, 8th. Cultural resource among 30 world's heritage site, that is 24th. Based all these facts, at the below, for your information, I have written here. This is the thing to write in bibliography. But for your information, you will not write here with these facts. You will write separately this in bibliography. As you will write the name of the topic, giving dash, you will write the name of the source based on Travel and Tourism Competitive Index TICI 2011. So this type, from here you can collect more facts regarding this topic. I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You write at least more 5 facts related to this topic, and from any kind of source. For example, I have mentioned here TICI 2011. You can use any kind of source to find this type of facts that is related with the tourism. That facts provide the good rank to Indian tourism in the world tourism. So those facts will be written under this topic. This, again I repeat, this thing you will not write with this topic. This thing should be written in the bibliography. For your information only, I have written this fact here. You write only the facts, not the name of the source. Name of the source write in bibliography. Similarly, in other points also, you are free to find the information from any kind of source. You write those, and at last in bibliography you refer that name of the source with the topic in bibliography. That should be added at last of the project. For any kind of information, if you will have problem to find the sources or informations, you must ask me. It is better if you write in one-to-one message or in comment box of YouTube. So I shall feel happy to reply those doubts.